How to change country in Netflix app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can change your country in the Netflix app. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you want to watch a show that is restricted in your region, or maybe you want to actually watch a show that is only available somewhere else. In order to do that, if you are using the Netflix app, you can actually change the country and then watch those restricted shows. In order to do that, all you have to do is first of all open up your app store and then download a VPN app. So it could be any VPN such as NordVPN, TouchVPN, ExpressVPN, Tomato VPN, because there are definitely different types of VPN applications out there. I'm not just going to talk about one specific VPN. The one I'm going to use here is the TouchVPN because I've already downloaded it. So once you basically downloaded this VPN application, depending upon the type of VPN app it is, you just want to make sure to open it up. Now once you open it up, you can just connect it to the country from where you want to watch the shows from. So just tap on it over here. If I want to connect to UK, I can select UK. If I want to connect it to Turkey, I can select that. If I want to connect to United States, I'm going to leave it at that and then just come back, and then all you have to do is just tap on this power button over here in order to connect it. Depending upon the type of VPN it is, you will be able to see a bunch of different ads over here, so you want to make sure to cross out the ad and it is going to connect to that server. Now when you go ahead and simply open the Netflix application over here, you will be able to successfully sign in to your specific account, and then you will be able to watch shows based on those regions. That's all it takes to change your country in Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.